But let's move forward. Let's talk about markets. Let's talk about numbers. While we continue to struggle sub that 9,900 mark, we've got some earnings to address as well, and Sunteck Realty is one set. Got on board with us Sumesh Mishra, the COO and President of the company. Sumesh, hi, afternoon. Just walk us through what the numbers have been, what are the operational performance numbers like, and what were the key highlights of the quarter gone by?
Hi, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to take you through the quarterly numbers which are from the operational front. So in terms of the operational numbers, you can see that we have clocked pre-sales of about 128 crore rupees versus 75 crore rupees of last year corresponding quarter. So that's a growth of 69% on the pre-sales front. In terms of collections, we have collected about 130 crore rupees from the sales already booked, and versus 87 crores. So that is about a growth of about 49% again. So on operational front, this has been a great quarter for us, post RERA and the GST implementation as well. If you see on the P&L side, we have clocked a revenue of 133 crore rupees versus 525 crore. Now that 525 crore rupees that we booked last year was because of our first time booking of our BKC project Signia Pearl. So that's the reason there was a number of 525 crore last year. This year we have clocked a P&L of the revenue of 133 crore rupees with the margin. So EBITDA margin is 53% versus 22% of last year. So both, if you see on the margin front, on the EBITDA levels and PAT, even our profit after tax is at 26% versus 12%. So on the P&L front also, if you see, the sales from the ongoing projects and the sales booking, we have had a healthy number on the P&L front as well. So this has been the operational and as well as the P&L, on the financial front, the operations for this particular quarter.
Okay. Tell me about the projects that have seen increased traction and have reached revenue recognition as well in Q1.
So all our three BKC projects which are complete and which are now habitable, all the projects, three projects wherever we have clocked, if you see the total pre-sales number of 128 crore rupees, approximately 94 crore rupees comes from BKC projects. So that straight away moves into the P&L because of their completed status. The other projects which are yet to hit the P&L will be the big project in Goregaon. So in Goregaon we have 23 acres which is divided into 5 projects, and we may have 5 to 6 phases in that. So right now currently Avenue 1 and Avenue 2 under that Sunteck City brand is under execution. So this is yet to hit the P&L. About the overall sales that we have done is approximately 650 to 700 crore rupees. That is yet to hit the P&L. So those are the pre-sales number. As we move forward, hopefully in this year we should be seeing Avenue 1 hitting the P&L in this particular year. So these are the projects which are hitting the P&L, and apart from that, we have other projects in Airoli and commercial projects which are yet to yet to hit the P&L numbers. But
okay, and by when do you expect those two projects to hit the P&L numbers?
So one more project which is in Borivali, which is called Signia High, that has also started hitting the P&L from this year also, and a part of that, the pre-sales had started hitting in last year, and we are looking forward to completely deliver the project in this calendar year itself. So maybe in the next 2 quarters, we will be finishing that project, and then we would like to book obviously the profit will move into the P&L once the project is completed.
So we're chatting with you. Thanks much for taking the time out and speaking with us today. That's the word coming in from Sunteck Realty, and what the update is on not just their earnings but future visibility on various projects as well. Stock just about mildly in the green as we speak, now beginning to cool off. In the meantime, BHL is another stock which is in focus right now. You've got a bonus announcement coming in there. One bonus share for every 2 shares held, so 1:2 bonus issue is what BHL has announced. The stock